Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube shorts in low quality. If you're trying to save mobile data or watching YouTube shorts in a place with slow internet, lowering the video quality can help. So let me show you how to watch YouTube shorts in low quality to reduce data usage and avoid buffering. Let's just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open a YouTube Shorts. And to do that, just go to your YouTube app after downloading it, log into your account, and tap on any short video in your feed. The second thing is to adjust the video quality. And to do that, just tap the three dots menu and look for quality and click on it. Now after you select quality or video quality preference, the third step is to choose a lower resolution. You'll see an option for the data saver or the higher or the auto which is recommended. Now I'm just gonna choose the data saver right here. And just like this, you chose an inferior lower quality. You can select, you can see options like 144 pixels or 240 pixels or 360 pixels or 480 pixels, but you can select data saver. It works. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you watch YouTube shorts in low quality. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.